guys, Anna here again and welcome back to another travel show. But before we get to the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. For today's video, we are here in Pahiyas Festival here in Lucban, Quezon Province. Basically guys, ano ngayon fiesta ng San Isidro Labrador and at the same time, Pahiyas Festival. So ang ginagawa nila, they decorate their houses with their local crops here. Katulad ng palay, niyog, mga fruits. Or they call that keeping, ganon. Kung saan yung pinakamagandang decoration, yun ang mananalo. Ayan, sobrang nakaka-enjoy dito at saka nakikita mo rin yung mga local products nila, lalo yung mga ani nila talaga kayo, nakakamangha. Yung pride nila dito na lukban, longganisa. Sobrang sarap po guys. So yun guys, iikutin po natin ang buong lugar na ito at titingnan natin yung mga kabahay-bahayan na may decoration. At guys, samahan niyo po kami at tara na! As you can see guys, ito yung isa sa mga nila dito, local crops, yung mga products nila. So nakikita talaga namin may palayan talaga yung Quezon Province. Sobrang ganda, no? Yan, ito gulay, sayote, ito. Wow, beautiful. This is my favorite guys, cacao. That's a very cute pineapple. Cacao, yan, langka o kaya jackfruit ang tawag dyan. Then some fruits. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Yan guys, isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng Lucban. Ito, yan, broas. Ano siya, cookie na napakalambot. So, favorite siya ng mga bata. Sobrang ganda po, mga halaman. Ate! Look at this! Sobrang ganda, oh my gosh! So, look at that! Sobrang ganda! Grabe yung palay, oh! So rich! Look at that! Grabe! Sobrang yaman nila sa palay! Ah! So yun guys, I think this is one of the most beautiful decoration here but there's a lot of people that came up here to check it out. I think this is really, baka ito yung number one. Grabe, alam mo yung ganito, this is actually a blessing. Alam mo yung ganitong event pag ulan, syempre may harvest tayo. It's always a blessing when it rains, especially to farmers. The rain is a blessing for them. Here we go guys! So wait just finished our tour here in Pahiyas Festival. So as you can see guys, sobrang ulan. Kaya hindi na natin maubos yung time natin para maglibot kasi grabe ulan talaga siya, malakas. So yun guys, napuntahan na namin yung mga magagandang displays, mga bahay na may magagandang decoration. So yun guys, nag-enjoy kami sobra. Ang dami nilang may pagmamalaki dito, sobrang dami. So guys, if you really enjoyed my video, please support me by clicking subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. And that's it for today guys. Maraming salamat po and bye-bye!